Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your drive modes in the new 2026 Kia Sportage Hybrid. I have in front of me here an EX Premium all-wheel drive in Heritage Blue. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, we have our drive mode button here on the left side of the steering wheel, and when we go ahead and press that button, it's going to come up in the instrument cluster here and switch between the different drive modes. So right now you can see down at the bottom, we are in eco mode. If I go ahead and press the drive mode button, now we're going to go into sport mode. If I were to press it again, it will go into my drive mode. This can be pressed anytime on the fly while you're driving. And when you change your drive mode, it will show up on the right side of the infotainment screen to let you know what mode you're going into. And if you're going into my drive, you have a shortcut to your settings for my drive. But what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to get to that menu through the infotainment here. So if we were to swipe to the left and go into setup, then vehicle, then drive mode, these are your drive mode options. So this is where you can go in for your settings for the My Drive mode, or you can even turn off having that little drive mode change alert coming up on the right side of the infotainment screen. So if you don't like that, personal preference, you can go ahead and turn that off. I'm going to go into the My Drive mode, and now you have the option of setting your powertrain to something specific over the steering option. So powertrain, you can choose between Eco, Sport, Smart, or even Baby. So Eco mode is going to adjust the spark timing and the amount of fuel going in to the engine while you're driving, just to try to maximize your efficiency. This is a hybrid, so it will try to use the hybrid battery as often as it can just to help save on fuel. Your sport mode is kind of the opposite. It's going to inject a bit more fuel and make your spark timing more aggressive. It's going to shift later, and it's just going to try to get you every ounce of power out of this vehicle. Then you have your smart mode, and smart mode will just adjust itself based on how you're driving. So if you're kind of driving chill, it's not going to put a lot of extra effort into your drive. If you're pushing your foot down like you're merging on the highway, it's going to give you that extra power that you need. And once you're kind of up to speed, or you've maybe calmed down a little bit, then it will adjust itself more toward the efficiency. In baby mode, it's going to adjust itself for optimized driving with an infant or a child in the vehicle. So that is going to also be more driving like on the battery, not using a lot of sound from the engine, and again, just more for efficiency. Then we have the option for steering, where you can set your steering to normal, or if you want a more agile point, go in the direction that you're pointed at mode, that's where you're going to use your sport steering. So you could have the powertrain on eco while you've got that nice tight sport steering feel, and set that for your My Drive. So anytime you cycle through your drive mode and get to My Drive, those are the settings you will be using. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys.